Hello everyone, my name is Snehal Chavan and today I am going to talk about the urinary system, which is also called as excretory system or renal system. Why renal? Because it is associated with the kidneys. So let's see some of the common functions of the urinary system. So first is it maintains the blood volume. Second is it maintains the blood pressure because the blood it is going to enter the kidney, then it is going to leave the kidney with the same pressure, like the pressure with which the blood entered kidney, with the same pressure the blood will leave the kidney. Therefore it maintains the blood pressure. It will also maintain the blood pH and the homeostasis. Okay, now the general process how it occurs. So it is key, see whatever blood is there it will come to the kidney, there the filtration will occur and whatever waste products will be there they will be removed out, and then the blood will again go to the different parts of the body. Now in this, so the main function it is key, the main function it is key, it will remove the waste products from the blood. Okay, now the components of urinary system. So kidney it is the primary organ of the urinary system because it filters the blood. Okay, the size of kidney it is fist sized and it is bean shaped organ. Okay, there are two kidneys present in a normal human being, and the size of the kidneys is much more larger in males as compared to female, because in females the reproductive system is much more developed because it has to handle the fetus also, right? So embryo development occurs in female, that's why the shape of size of kidney in females is less as compared to the males. Okay, now let's understand the mechanism. Now initially what happens ki blood comes via renal artery to the kidney, then whatever collecting ducts are there of nephron they'll collect the blood, then this blood it will go to the minor calyx, then it will go to the major calyx, then it will go to the renal pelvis. From that the blood will go to the ureters, from ureters it will go to the bladder, and from the bladder it will go to the urethra, and via urethra the whatever remains are there they will be excreted out of the body. Okay, now see what happens when the blood it comes into the kidneys, it comes via like as I told via arteries, right? By renal arteries the blood comes in the kidney, and these arteries when they undergo further division, like in smaller tubes are formed which are called as arterioles, or we can say glomerulus structure is formed there with the help of the capillaries, with the help of these arterioles, and these structure it is surrounded by Bowman's capsule. Now what happens, see it is a structure in which there are the pores are present. Okay, so when blood will come through these arterioles, blood will come and it will flow. Okay, so when the blood is flowing there are the pores in the Bowman's capsule. Okay, so on that layer, and what happens ki whatever waste material is there it will get dropped into the Bowman's capsule. Okay, so whatever blood will come it will flow, but when the blood is flowing, while the passage of blood the waste material will come down with the help of those pores. Via those pores the waste will be separated out. Okay, for example like as we are taking the tea, for example, for filtering the tea, the way we use, right? So whatever for the filtration whatever we are using, the same way as it is having pores, the kidneys also, that is the Bowman's capsule, the upper portion is also having those pores, and with from that pores the waste material will be excreted out. Okay, now the Bowman's capsule the waste will come down, and then as I said earlier, by that process it will come down, go to the bladder, and from the bladder it will get out of the body. Okay, so initially, so there are three steps. First is glomerular filtration. In filtration the blood will be filtered, it is the blood will be separated and the waste material will be separated. Second is tubular reabsorption. In this what will happen ki whatever tubes are there, see from that via tubes the blood will come, whatever the waste is there, the liquid is there, it will come down. So in those tubules whatever there are the linings are there which will absorb the minerals. when necessary, whatever requirement will be given by the body, those minerals or those things will be absorbed from that liquid, okay, from that blood. Now so this is the tubular reabsorption, and then that is excretion. So now whatever remained material will be there, it will be removed out. Now why the color of urine it is not red, because we are filtering blood now. So the reason is ki while filtration the red blood cells are not coming down, okay. So red blood cells, they will go up, and whatever waste is there, it is present in plasma. That's why what happens ki the color of urine, you can say it is pale yellow, okay. So this was all about the urinary system. There are various diseases which may be caused due to, like, for example, the flow of whatever this process is there, it is unidirectional, but the fluid should not go backward. Therefore there is a presence of sphincters, okay. There are two sphincters are present, external and internal, which avoid the backflow of this liquid, okay. So yes, this was all about the urinary system. Thank you so much.